Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make ginger flavored carrot chilla, high protein, vitamin A and C, antioxidants loaded, probiotic, P.C.O.D, thyroid and diabetic friendly. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Chickpea flour or besan and semolina or sudi, carrot, parsley or cilantro or both, ginger as per as your taste, green chili again as per as your taste, fresh curd or yogurt, lemon juice, rock or Himalayan or any natural salt, cumin powder, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, and mix a shade. And now for two crucial tips to make a good chilla after adding the water. And mix very well. The more you mix, the better the chilla is going to be. Add jaggery and mix. Add more water and mix really well. And there, that should be the free-flowing dropping consistency where batter should run clear off the spoon. So the total water we have used is this. Now cover and set aside till chilla is ready to be cooked and served. Before that, check the dropping consistency again. It should be the same as it was earlier. And aag lagao to preheat. When hot, drizzle and smear with oil. When done, take plates and spread a dollop of batter and spread it gently. Now, when done, allow the batter to firm up a little. There, the color changes, the water starts to evaporate, and now drizzle oil along the edges. And slowly the chilla becomes firm. Now, carefully flip the chilla. Remember, it can break, so be very careful. Drizzle and smear the chilla with oil. And allow the chilla to cook. Flip to ensure both sides are evenly cooked. Look how lovely it is. Beautiful to look at, and what a fragrance. Now flip the side again. Allow to cook. A final flip. Both sides are evenly cooked. Switch off the heat or the flames. And our ginger carrot flavored chilla is ready to be served. There, beautiful to look at, isn't it? Take any chutney, dip or sauce of your choice and serve and enjoy the ginger carrot flavored chilla.
So friends, Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.